Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT crew cab with the V6 and 4x4 on it. So we'll just start at the back here, let you have a look in the rear end. So it's got the 5.7 foot blocks on it. It's got a drop-in bed liner here. It's got a nice new CW limited trifold cover on the back. So that's there. Here's the back of the truck. So SLT, 4x4, Ram, and then there's your backup camera built into the handle as well. And it is a locking handle, as you can see. Down here, let's see, so we've got 4-pin up here. We've got a 7-pin down there. We've got a trailer hitch receiver. That's perfect, so that's all there. Nice chrome bumper, and it's got the step plate on it, and as you can see, it's in really good shape. Okay, so we'll just come around the side here. I'll let you have a look at the box. No dings, no dents. Looks great. And here's your rear wheel. So no curb rash, no issues. And it's got nice Bridgestone dueler tires on there with lots of tread still on them, so looks great. Here we are at the passenger rear door. So we've got power windows up there, nice chrome finished handle, and then we've got the tri-tone finish on the door with a speaker and a nice pocket down at the bottom. We've got the nice chrome running board down here with the rubber steps. On the floor here, we've got some in-floor storage. So there's a bucket there for you if you want to store some things. We've got a pocket on the back seat. We've got vents down at the bottom. And then here on the back seat, you can see the condition of the fabric. Fabric looks great. This person's even put some covers on the headrest there, so those are there. And if we pull that down, there's your center armrest with 2 cup holders for the rear passengers. And there's also 2 more there on the floor as well. And let you have a look at the headliner, nice and clean, looks great. And grab handle there. So I'll just close this up. Again, there's that running board, looks great. In the door here on the passenger side, we've got additional cup holders. We've got power locks, power windows, and nice chrome finished handles there. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Okay, and let's have a look. So in the glove box, what do we got here? Some extra bulbs, and we've got a lower one here as well. We've got the books here for the truck, so that's all there. That's perfect. Just let you have a look at the dash. And let's see up here, illuminated and lit mirror, so that's perfect. And I'll just hop out, close this one up, let you have a look at the door. Looks great, no dings, no dents. We've got illumination under the mirror, and we also have heat on those mirrors as well, so that's great for winter time. And here we are at the driver or passenger front wheel, so no curb rash, no issues, and nice Bridgestone dueler tires on there, looking great. And we'll just come around to the engine. So here's your 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine, 305 horsepower paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission with the 4x4 system as well. And as you can see, it's a nice clean looking truck. Everything looks great, as it should. And we'll just close this up, let you have a look at the front. So in terms of issues, stone chips, let's see what I can see. Looks like there's a little mark here, and I think there was one more. There's one down here that we touched up. Outside of that, it's really clean, as you can see. Let you have a look at that lower piece. Looks great. All right, so we'll just go around to the driver's front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Everything looks great. And I'll just go to the rear wheel so you can see that one as well. Same thing. And have a look at the box while we're here. No dings, no dents, no issues. Looks great. And here we are on the driver's rear. So as you can see, everything's clean. Seats look good. And here's the door panel here. Looks great. close that one up and let you have a look at the door from back here. Looks good. And here's the driver's side. So power windows, power locks, power mirrors. So that's all there. Again, additional cup holders down here. And just hop in and we'll fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 112,650 kilometers on it. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks good there. On the steering wheel, we've got voice control, we've got Bluetooth control, we've got arrows to control the screen up the top. Over here, you've got gear shift, so you can put it in, you can change the gears if you like when you're going up and down hills. You've got cruise control there. There it is, there's the key start, and it does have a remote start option on that key as well. We've got a rotary gear shift, so to put it in reverse, I click it like that, and there's your reverse camera. So we'll just put it back to park. And then below, you've got 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. So that's all there. Here's your screen, so you've got AM, FM, Sirius XM. If we click controls, we've got heated seats, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got auto dimming rearview mirror, backup camera. You got the U apps, so that's all there for you as well. Climate control, so if I hit auto, that'll turn that on. And we've got dual climate control, so the passenger and driver can have different temperatures. Rear view camera and phone. So if you want to pair your phone, you can. And those are some of the features you get. And then down here, there's some manual controls, volume, tuning, and some of the HVAC controls as well. We've got a tow haul mode, we've got traction control on and off, we've got heated seats and the heated steering wheel section there. Over here we've got a 120 volt socket, so if you want to plug some things in, you can. Down there, that's a USB port. Over here we've got a 12 volt socket, and then in the center we have a nice large pocket for storage. Down at the bottom you've got a section that you can put change and other miscellaneous things. We've got 3 cup holders up here. If I open this, we've got large storage in here. We've got line in, USB, 12 volt socket in there, 12 change holder there. And then this whole thing folds up and gives you another seat as well. So if you wanted to have 6 people in here, you can. Up top, we've got our power sliding rear window. So that's back there. So that opens and closes. That's perfect. And that's it. I'll just hop out with it running and let you have a look. There it is running. Good sounding truck. There you have it, folks. 2017 Ram 1500 V6 4x4 here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.